Welcome to part 2 of the granny stripe tutorial, the quick guide, and this time we're going to look at how to change colour. So I've made this little sample using the Wildflower colours. We've got the Meadow, Pistachio, Pale Rose, Toy, Buttermilk and Wisteria. That's the Stylecraft Special DK. So I've just got to the end of a row just so that I can show. We're just going to look at how to change the colour, yeah? So if you want the pattern, refer back to the previous video. Yeah, so we're at the end of this row. I'm just going to make one US double, UK treble into that last stitch. Yeah, and then I'm going to chain 2 and cut the yarn. Pull the hook and then we'll push the knot down. Not too tight because we want to go into there. So we're going to turn the work, yeah, and then we're going to take our next colour. So we're going to make a slip knot. I'm going to use this Pistachio next. And then insert the hook. So we're going to start, we don't need to make the chains or anything, we can just do a standing US double UK treble. So yarn over, and then we're going to go into the first stitch. Yeah, sometimes you lose that yarn over because it just twists out. Pull the yarn through, make sure it's not too baggy. Yeah, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So as you can see, we started the last round, we were using 1 stitch at the end. So this round we do 2 stitches. So we just go into that same stitch and make the second stitch, and then we can hop across and carry on with our granny stripes. So it's quite simple. Let me just finish this little group and then we can have a look at the work. There we go. Look, I've got my tail caught up in there. Let's pull that out. So there we go. That's how we add it on. And then you can pull that a little bit tighter to finish off. So when you get to the end of this row, it will be 2 stitches at the end. Then you can tie off and add it on with a standing US double, UK treble. And I'll see you in the next video.